So, to have a full view, did you know when SketchUp started? In 2000, there was a startup called Atlas Software. They want to make an easy to use software that helps engineers and designers. So they created SketchUp. And in 2004, the software achieved huge sales and success. Geolocation was an ideal feature in SketchUp for Google, so they take it into their consideration. Geolocation means linking 3D models of buildings to its existing place on Google Maps. This feature made Google think to buy SketchUp. So in 2006, Google bought this software and its startup. The software remained with Google for 6 years from 2006 until 2012. In 2012, Google sold it to Trimble Company. And from 2012 until now, SketchUp with Trimble. Why Google sold the software to Trimble? Maybe Trimble will be able to concentrate more on SketchUp development, especially Trimble works in the industries like geospatial, construction, and infrastructure, so the software development will be more suited to the user's needs.